Children, today we are going to start lesson 5 in our moral science book. Name of the lesson is You, We, Can. Means you, me, and hum can do anything if we want to. This lesson teaches us the value of willpower, stamina, and endurance. This is the name of a foundation also. We Can is a foundation established by cricketer Yuvraj Singh. We all know about this cricketer Yuvraj Singh, and he has fought with the deadly disease cancer. And this institution, which is established by Yuvraj Singh, meant to fight cancer by spreading awareness about the deadly disease. So, in this chapter, also, we will read the life histories of people who have turned a negative into a positive, adversity into advantage, stumbling blocks into stepping stones. They refuse to let disappointment and failures pull them down. So, here we begin with the reading of the chapter. This is the picture of Stephen Hawking. Now we will read about Stephen Hawking, about his contribution to the society. He was a famous cosmologist, a scientist. So Stephen Hawking is a severely disabled by a motor neuron disease known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. The short form is ALS. Disabled are the person whose body parts do not work properly. So Stephen Hawking was also severely disabled. He was suffering from a neuron disease. Neuron means brain disease, and diagnosis of motor neuron disease came when Hawking was 21. Doctors said he would not survive more than 2 or 3 years. Hawking gradually lost the use of his arms, legs, and voice, and in 2009 he has been almost completely paralyzed. Paralyzed, you know, na? Body parts does not work. Professor Hawking has 12 honorary degrees. He was awarded the CBE in 1982 and was made a Companion of Honor in 1989. He is the recipient of many awards, means he has received many awards, medals, and prizes, and member of US National Academy of Sciences. Stephen Hawking continues his research into theoretical physics with an extensive program of travel and public lectures. Dependent on prosthesis means artificial body parts. He used wheelchair, customized computer, voice synthesizer. Stephen has reached brilliant heights, not letting his handicapped condition push him down the hill. Along with his research, he traveled a lot to give public lectures. And Stephen Hawking died in 2018. And a famous thought given by Stephen Hawking is given here. Intelligence is the ability to adopt change. Means an intelligent person has the ability to adopt change. We should be ready to adopt the changes which come in our life. So he had a very positive attitude towards life in spite of his handicap. This is the picture of Amy Mullins. Amy Mullins was a strong woman. Amy Mullins is just an incredible person. She is a runner, a runway model, a speaker, an activist, an actor, an athlete, an NCAA track star. NCAA means National Collegiate Athletic Association. And an amazing soul. She lost her lower legs because she was born without fibula. Fibula means long thin bone of lower leg. So she lost her lower legs. Despite her impairment or disability, she is changing the world with a message. What is the message? You can do it despite any adversity you have. These real life stories tell us that despite such adversities, these geniuses performed such extraordinary tasks which could even not be possible for normal people. If differently abled persons are provided with proper resources and help, they will no more remain handicapped and turn out to be productive for themselves and for the society. They can be a source of motivation for everyone. So, we should all work towards a society where the differently abled are given their due respect and are enabled to lead a happy and fulfilling life. Also, it is a moral duty of differently abled people not to consider themselves as forlorn. Forlorn means sad, lonely, and should work towards their success. Now, would like to share with you some important thoughts given by famous personalities. The only disability in life is a bad attitude. This is a thought given by Scott Hamilton. And Theodore Roosevelt had said, believe you can and you are halfway there. Means if you think positive, your work is done. So, students, dear children, what did you learn from this chapter? Yes, what a lesson to be learned from the story of Stephen Hawking, M.A. Mullins. It teaches us that successful people do it in spite of, not in absence of problems. When we hear or read stories of people who have turned adversity into opportunity, doesn't it motivate us? Some of these personalities, they refuse to let disappointment and failures pull them down. Some of the best music was composed by Beethoven. What was his handicap? He was deaf, but he had given very good music, best music. Some of the best poetry on nature was written by Milton. What was his handicap? He was blind. John Milton was blind, but he has written beautiful poetry on nature. See, he could not see the nature, but he has described the nature beautifully in his poetry. One of the greatest world leaders was US President Franklin D. Roosevelt. What was his handicap? He served from a wheelchair. He could not walk. Uh, uh, he used wheelchair, but he was the president of the most powerful country, United States. So, children, doesn't it motivate us if we regularly read biographies and autobiographies of such people? Won't we stay motivated? Yes, so we should learn lesson from the life of these personalities and should develop a positive attitude in life and should be ready to accept all the changes in our life. Thank you.